Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are sharing a healthy moringa leaves chutney. This is useful in controlling blood sugar levels and also reduces high blood pressure. This superfood is rich in many essential nutrients and is also good for skin and hair. Ingredients are moringa leaves 1 bunch, black pepper 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds or jeera 1 teaspoon, coconut oil 2 teaspoons, tamarind as per taste, grated coconut half cup, salt as per taste, mustard seeds half teaspoon, and garlic pods about 4 to 5. First, thoroughly wash the moringa leaves under running water. Then, separate the leaves from the stem as being shown here in the video. Then, place a thick bottomed pan over the stove and add a teaspoon of coconut oil to it. Then, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera to it. Fry them for about a minute. Then add the moringa leaves and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Moringa leaves have anti-inflammatory properties and hence speed up the wound healing process. Moringa leaves are also said to be very good for eye health and prevent many eye diseases. Now turn off the flame and allow it to cool. Then add the cooled moringa leaves mixture into a blender jar. To this, add some tamarind and half cup of freshly grated coconut. Grind it into a smooth paste. Add some water if needed and grind into a smooth paste. Now for the tempering, add a teaspoon of coconut oil to a pan and add half teaspoon of mustard seeds to it and allow them to splutter. Then add a few crushed garlic pods and fry them for about a minute. Then add the prepared moringa leaves paste and mix it well. Finally, add salt to taste and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now turn off the flame and the healthy moringa recipe is ready. Consume it along with hot rice and ghee. Include this superfood in your diet at least once a week or whenever fresh moringa leaves are available. Try this and share your feedback in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos. Thank you.